Alright guys, today I'm going to get this old exhaust cut out of here. Hangs too low for my liking for one. There's almost 9 inches between top of the exhaust and the bottom of the frame. Look at the passenger side. I see that groove right there. That's from the drive shaft contacting the exhaust. And I'm going to end up running this true duals, one down each side of the truck, and I'm going to do the best I can to keep it right underneath the frame rail. Looks like I got the transfer case down there, and I'm going to try and keep it up as high as I can. And then that dent is from where they had the old PTO shaft running up front. So this is going to end up getting cut up here, and I'll put a 90 at an angle down here. And then I got to cut this abomination out. They notched that cross member there for the PTO shaft to go through, and they just boogered a bunch of stuff on. So both of these plates are going to get cut off, and I'm going to take a piece of 4-inch pipe, finish coping that out, and then set a piece of 4-inch pipe up in there, weld that to this cross member. Figured I'd start getting a little bit more in mechanicals of this, and figured you guys are probably tired of seeing me drill holes and weld all the time. So I'm going to start on the exhaust, get that done and taken care of, and then I'll probably jump over and do the brake lines. This way I can get the driver's side step tank mounted, and I gotta do the brakes so I can get rid of the old vacuum booster here. And then I gotta watch the exhaust on this side for the PTO, because this is a shift lever. For the forward and reverse on it. Well, I gotta redo the shifter for the PTO. I'm gonna try and locate a 4-wheel drive shifter for a 72 to 79 Ford F100 through F350. Mount that where it's supposed to, factory. Make it look halfway stock. And then after I do the exhaust, the brakes, I'll probably sort out some of this wiring up here. I got a junction box I'm going to mount back here on the other side of this cross member, so I can take the factory wiring, run it into there, and then go into a 7-way molded cable, run out to the back. Well, that's the plan anyways. So I'm gonna go get extension cord, angle grinder, and start making noise. Alright everyone, I got the exhaust mocked up. This is going to have to get picked up a little bit, but it's in there. It's clearing everything so far. I got the abomination was welded on, all cleaned up. But today's project is going to be getting the exhaust. Well, at least the front half, the exhaust welded on. Back here at this end, I've got some 3-bolt flanges I'm going to stick over here so I can break it right here. And then it's got one V-band clamp up there. And I'm dropping it all down low so I can clear the PTO box here. And if I ever have to take that out or take the transmission out, I've got that point up there, and then this point back here that 3-bolt flange is going to be at. Be able to take the exhaust out in parts for maintenance. There's the passenger side. Should have plenty of clearance on that. So I'm gonna go fire the welder up and we'll get everything tacked up, tear it out, and weld it up.